Hi guys, in today's video we are going to see how we can use Mistoline to generate new images out of the mask image or the canny edge image that we give as an input. So just to know a little bit more about what is Mistoline. So Mistoline is like a new model which is released by MistoAI, and it's like a robust SDXL plus ControlNet based model which can be like used to create new art or new images. They have also explained the model architecture. So earlier the neural network architecture used to be like this, and now with ControlNet we can like control which part of the neural network we need to like change information and do something with that. So also like they have expanded the architecture here. So here you can see like this is the part where the conditioning happens for the stable diffusion pipeline. And if we go into the bottom, they have shown us some examples, like these are like the input and there are different kind of output that we can get. So they have also compared it with other controllers which are available open source. And if we go in the bottom, we can also see how we can set up our own Mistoline. We have to just install the dependencies and use the sample code to generate new images. So I have also done that, so I'll be quickly showing you how we can quickly run it and see the output. And this is the GitHub repository with the similar information. And okay, so let's dive into the GPU environment which I have set up. So if we do NVIDIA SMI, we can see what kind of GPU I have. So currently I have this L4 NVIDIA GPU with 24 gigs of VRAM available, and I have created this main file similar to what we have seen on the Hugging Face to create new images using the input images. So I'll show you like one of the input image which I already have. So this is like a warehouse image that I've generated using ORML synthetic data platform. So this you can see like a warehouse with robots and people, and let's say if we have one image and we want to generate like multiple other image using the same image, so we can use this Mistoline architecture to augment the existing data set. So just to go in the code, like there is this augment function and we are loading up the images. So okay, let me run the code first because it will take some time. And also like I have set up one conda environment with all the requirements which were mentioned in their Hugging Face page. So there is this pip install command which I did after creating this environment, and then like we can run the Python file. So in the Python file, I'm giving this as like an input image, and then I'm expecting an output in the output folder. So I think in this folder it will be generating the output, and we have given the input prompt and the negative prompt. The input prompt goes like warehouse with boxes and people, different lighting conditions and all that. And now it has like started to generate the image after loading the model into the GPU RAM. And I think we can also see nvtop command, you can see like there is some utilization of the memory. Around 10 gigs of memory has been now utilized with 100% of the GPU processing power. So yeah, we were discussing about how the code looks like. So here is the image that we have loaded. This is the ControlNet model that we are going to load, the Mistoline one. And we can also see we have the VAE, variational autoencoder, which is working with SDXL. So we are loading the existing pre-trained model from this repository ID, and then we use this from pre-trained function and pipe command to actually generate the image. So yeah, so this pipe command will be generating the output image, and then we are going to save it in the output directory. And here we can also see we are loading up the SDXL model, and this is the ControlNet and the VAE which we have set up above. So using a combination of SDXL, VAE and ControlNet, we are going to like create new images. So we can see for the input image, this input image, it has already created one new image. Let me open it like side by side so that we can compare. So as you can see, like for the two workers here, it has generated like new workers here in the right image, and also the box location is like quite similar to what we see on the left side. we can improve like our prompt to generate like a better images, but this is currently what it has generated, and right now it is generating the second image. So as we see in the code, we have given n equal to 3, so it is going to generate like 3 output images. So we can also like compare the output, what different kind of images it can generate. Okay, so this is the second image which it has generated. Let me again open it side by side. So again, like same people but different output. So this is how maybe we can like augment our existing image datasets. So yeah, using this thing, like you can also create your own images using the Mistoline pipeline as explained in this video.